In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar via link. This simple yet comprehensive guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that you can share your calendar effortlessly with anyone you choose. Whether you're coordinating with a team, planning family events, or sharing your availability with clients, sharing your Google Calendar can greatly streamline communications and scheduling. Let's dive in. First off, let's start with the basics, accessing your Google Calendar. Head over to Google Calendar's main page. You'll be prompted to sign in, so go ahead and enter your email and password, then click Next. This will bring you right to your main calendar view, loaded with all your current appointments and tagged events. Now, to begin the process of sharing your calendar, look towards the lower left part of your screen for a gear icon. This is the Settings button, and it's your gateway to adjusting all aspects of your Google Calendar experience. Click on Settings to reveal more options regarding customization and preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a list of your calendars on the left-hand side. Each calendar associated with your account, including the primary one, will be displayed here. Click on the calendar you wish to share. This action will open up the settings specifically for that calendar. After selecting your calendar, look for an option titled Get Shareable Link. This link is what you'll provide to others when you want to share your calendar. Click on Get Shareable Link to generate the URL that leads directly to your calendar. This URL is unique to your calendar and can be accessed by anyone you give it to. Finally, once your link has been generated, you'll notice a Copy Link button right next to it. Click on Copy Link to copy the URL to your clipboard, and this link can now be pasted anywhere, emails, messages, or social media, allowing others to view your calendar. Do remember, however, that while they'll be able to see the events and timings, they won't be able to make any changes unless you've adjusted those specific permission settings. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Google Calendar with others. Sharing your calendar like this can help in so many ways, from eliminating the back and forth of trying to find a meeting time that works for everyone, to keeping all participants in a project informed about due dates and meetings. Remember, you can always manage who has access to your calendar by going back to the settings and adjusting the permissions, or even revoking the shareable link to stop sharing it altogether. Thanks for following along with this guide on how to share your Google Calendar. It's straightforward processes like these that can make a huge difference in organizing our time and coordinating with others more efficiently.